Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you so simple. Actually only one row repeat, but two row repeats because we slide these shells every row, but it's reversible. It's so soft. I use here one ball, 100 gram, this yarn here. Madame Tricot Paris, Kitty Baby, multicolor. And this is one ball is 100 grams. It's equal to 3.5 ounces. Again, 328 yards, and it's equal to 300 meters. 100% of acrylic. This is fine yarn. Size category is 2. They recommend us using 4 millimeter, but I use this pattern 5 millimeter hook. You can wash it in 30 degrees. You can ironing in low degrees. Don't use tumble dryer. Okay, and this color number is 371. I like this color. And I want to give its measurements. This is a sample. One ball I made it. Here, 40 centimeter width. Length is again here 37. So if you want to make a baby blanket, you need minimum 4 or 5 balls for that, because you need this weight minimum 90 centimeter. Okay, this is reversible and this is 3D and only making one stitch. I don't count single crochet a stitch in this pattern. You make here double triple. That's it. So easy. If you are a beginner crocheter and you want to make a baby blanket and you want to make 3D effectable things, this pattern for you. So fast crocheting. Okay, you can do it easily. You need for this pattern multiples of 7. Okay, multiples of 7 for this pattern you need. You will make your chains which centimeter you want, but be careful that multiples of 7. Okay, if you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful big 3D fat shells. Let's start to crochet. Actually, balloon blanket, balloon baby blanket. Let's start crochet. First of all, make a slip knot. Then not make so tight. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus 2, 1 and 2. Okay, yarn over twice, skip 1 2 3 4, count as your first double treble, insert into the fifth one, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over twice, insert into the same stitch, and make here again double treble. We count this chain for our first double treble, add in the same stitch 3 more double treble. So I have in the first stitch 4 double treble. Then skip 1 2 3, insert into the fourth one, grab my yarn, join with a single crochet, yarn over twice, skip 1 2 3, insert into the fourth one, and make here 4 double treble. 1, yarn over twice, insert into the same, 2, yarn over twice, 3, yarn over twice, 4. Chain 1, yarn over twice, in the same stitch make 4 more. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 double triple, chain 1, 4 double triple in the same stitch. Then skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth one, join with a single crochet. Yarn over twice, again 1, 2, 3, skip, insert into the fourth one. Make your big shell. 4 double triple, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1, yarn over twice, make 4 more in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then skip here 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth one and join with a here single crochet. Left ear 1, 2, 3 and 4 stitch, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over twice and insert into the skip 3 last stitch, and make here we start with half pattern, we finish with half pattern here. 1 here, yarn over twice, 2, 3 and 4. That's the first pattern, first row. Then chain 1 and turn my work, not count, insert into the same stitch and make 1 single crochet. Yarn over twice, I will make my shells previous rows single crochets, but not use whole loops, only use back loops. Here, grab my yarn, make 4 double triple, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1, make 4 more in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I use back loop. Then join this shell, previous rows chain 1 space with single crochet. Yarn over twice, come to next single crochet previous rows using back loop. Make here 4 double triple, 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 1, 4 more, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Join this big shell, previous rows, chain 1 space. Yarn over twice, find the next single crochet stitch here, find the back loop and make here 4 double triple, 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 1, yarn over twice and make 4 more. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Join this big shell to the top of that last stitch. This is our chain 4. Insert the 4th chain and join with a single crochet. We start with single crochet, we finish with single crochet here. So we turn back to the first row, 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains and turn your work. count as your first double treble, you will start with half pattern here. Yarn over twice, insert into the same the first stitch, add here 3 more double treble. 1, 2, 3, count the first chain 4, so you have here totally 4 double treble. Join this half pattern, previous rows chain 1 space with single crochet. Yarn over twice, come to single crochet and using back loop make your 4 double treble, 3, 4, chain 1 and 4 more. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Join this to the chain 1 with single crochet. You will always repeat these 2 rows. Then make here 4 double treble, chain 1, 4 double treble, but using back loop, join it to here and finish with 4 double treble half pattern. Turn back to chain 1 and repeat the second row again. It's so simple. When you make it bigger, it comes this beautiful pattern. You can see that. I hope you like it and you will try that. It's so simple and so fast crocheting and so soft. You like it. I believe it. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.